Okay guys, so you can use multiple Apple Watches with your iPhone. It's going to show you how that works. The thing is, so you can only use one at a time with your iPhone. So first just open up the Apple Watch app. So by default for me it brings up the auto switcher. So what you can do here guys, it should automatically switch, just for example. So if I press on all watches, you see it's set to the Series 11. If I bring up the Ultra 3 though, so sometimes you may have to wait a minute. Yep. So that's one more example. So you see right now it's set to the Ultra 3. Just give it a sec. So you see I don't have to press anything, it automatically brings up the auto switcher. So now for example if I want to change the watch face, you see it switches there. Okay guys, thanks for watching, hopefully this helped out.